creating some intelligent, I mean very intelligent, same very intelligent. Autorag included uh, AI trading bot platform. Mm. So this is actually it is creating. So you can see. Okay. Okay. So. Mm, thank you for feedback. Then validate the design. The design. Okay, let's validate. Okay, probably I did some wrong anyway. No, as of now, no. Create code and deploy app and deploy app on my account. Let's see what it responds. What these things. We are all naive in this huge big world. Anyway, uh, I think we have like backtracked. We can gain capability of godlike capability. Those things I have believed since my childhood. Actually, you can call me nerd or whatever, but I think like those ways, and we need to find. Anyway, it is taking some time. Anyway, it is taking some lots and lots of time. Anyway, this should run. Check. Okay. So it has built. So it had created all the steps. So I'll be going and I'll be trying all these things. I would like to run these things also in CLI. There are CLI commands. So something we cannot do from CLI. So those steps need to automate it. So I would like to automate those steps also. So these are the things: Cloud Assist, Google Cloud Assist demo on GCP. So you know it's quite good. Okay, I'll run them. Thank you as of now.